Siddharth Carbochem Products Limited is one of the leading manufacturers of fine chemicals, including active pharmaceutical intermediates and performance chemicals in India, with over 20 years of manufacturing experience. The manufacturing plant is located in Jalgaon and is ISO 9001, 14001 and 18001 certified. The plant is GMP certified by the Food and Drug Authority Maharashtra government. The company also has Hazard Analysis Critical Control Point certification from BSCIC. The company's products and processes are also halal and kosher certified and approved. Siddharth Carbochem also has accreditation and certification from the National Sanitation Foundation of USA, enabling the company to offer its products for applications connected with food and drinking water across the world. In fine chemicals and API space, the company focuses on salicylic acid and its derivatives. Salicylic acid has been shown to be effective in dermatologic and cosmetic applications such as facial cleansers and anti-dandruff shampoos for its rapid effect as a keratolytic agent. It is also added in trace amounts as a food preservative and in mild antiseptics such as mouthwashes and toothpastes. Siddharth Carbochem is the largest manufacturer of methyl salicylate and other salicylate esters in India. Methyl salicylate is used in high concentrations as a rubefacient and analgesic in deep heat liniments to treat joint and muscular pain. In low concentrations, the product is used as a flavoring and fragrance ingredient for mouthwashes, toothpastes, tooth powder and other oral care products. Octyl salicylate and homosalate are used as an active ingredient in sunscreens and cosmetics to block harmful ultraviolet sun rays. Sodium salicylate is used in medicine as an analgesic and an antipyretic. It also acts as a non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug. Amyl salicylate and isoamyl salicylate are used as ingredients in the fragrance industry. Siddharth Carbochem supplies these products to some of the largest pharmaceutical, FMCG and flavor and fragrance companies of the world. The company's products are used in many popular brands such as Dermicool, Iodex, Move, Decode and Colgate toothpaste. In the performance chemicals segment, the company focuses on water-soluble polymers and other specialized chemistries to offer a wide range of products for application in various industries. These products are supplied to some of the largest and reputed global and Indian companies. All the products manufactured by Siddharth Carbochem have been developed in-house at its research and development laboratory. Being a customer-centric company, the R&D goals of Siddharth Carbochem are as under. In performance chemicals, the company focuses on productivity improvement for customers, cost reduction for customers, improving existing product quality for customers, developing new products, environment protection and water conservation. Under fine chemicals, the company focuses on high quality and niche products for specific applications, as well as reduction in cost and enhancement in efficiency to make Siddharth Carbochem amongst the lowest cost producers in the world. The R&D activity at Siddharth Carbochem can be broadly classified into two main areas: product and process development and application development. Under product and process development, the R&D team carries out synthesis of molecule, testing of physical and chemical parameters of the synthesized product, stability testing of the synthesized product, laboratory application testing, and production scale-up. Under application development, our team of application specialists conduct studies and experiments at customer plants by applying the chemistries developed by the R&D laboratory and modifying customer processes, operating parameters, and production practices so as to achieve and deliver the targeted performance to the customer. The company has the capability to produce polymers with molecular weight as high as 25 to 30 million, which are amongst the highest in the world. The company is capable of handling product viscosities between 1 CPS to jellies having viscosity of over 1 million CPS. This laboratory handles and develops Newtonian as well as non-Newtonian polymers. The structures of the chains are tailor-made and modified to synthesize linear, branched and cross-linked polymers. The R&D team works with more than 50 different monomers to create a range of homopolymers, copolymers, terpolymers and tetrapolymers. The degree of hydrolysis and charge of polymer are also controlled while synthesizing such polymers. Some of the chemistries and solutions being conceptualized by the company are uniquely innovative and could result in pioneering and breakthrough solutions for the global industry. Spread over an area of 2,500 square feet, the R&D facility at Siddharth Carbochem comprises of Synthesis Laboratory, Instrumentation Laboratory, Wet Analysis Laboratory, and Application Testing Laboratory. Our Synthesis Laboratory is well equipped with glass reactors ranging from 100 milliliters to 5 liters capacity to carry out lab experiments. We also have stainless steel reactors for polymer synthesis. Other support and safety equipment include fuming hoods, vacuum oven, distillation assemblies, rotary evaporators, electronic sensors, and data loggers. The various types of reactions that are taken up for synthesis include esterification, trans-esterification, amidation, benzylation, condensation polymerization, chain growth polymerization, radical polymerization, emulsion polymerization, cross-linked polymerization, Hofmann reaction, etc. Our research and development department uses state-of-the-art instruments for analyzing and testing the products. The analytical lab is equipped with HPLC, gas chromatograph, TLC, charge analyzer, zeta potential analyzer, Carl Fischer auto titrator, infrared spectrophotometer, analytical balances, etc. In the wet analysis laboratory, the R&D team analyzes the synthesized products for various parameters including viscosity, solids, pH, specific gravity, etc. They undertake various titrations to determine and quantify the physical and chemical properties of the synthesized compounds, such as Brookfield viscosity, acidity, a mean value, etc. The laboratory is equipped with various instruments and equipment such as Brookfield viscometer, titration apparatus, ovens, vacuum ovens, analytical balances, etc. Most of the specialty chemicals developed by Siddharth Carbochem R&D team are initially tested in this application laboratory under different conditions. Based on the feedback of this laboratory, the synthesized product or process is altered to produce customized products as per customers' requirements. The company has numerous specialized equipment such as Shopper Riegler, Brit jar, paper former, flocculator, spectrophotometer, various instruments for testing paper properties, namely burst factor, etc. Jar test apparatus, magnetic stirrers, turbidity meter, conductivity meter, etc. are frequently used to run comparative tests for water treatment and wastewater treatment. Siddharth Carbochem has a team of application specialists with deep domain expertise and enormous experience who work closely with the R&D department to offer various solutions to the customers. Here are some of the milestones achieved by the company. Usage of Siddharth Carbochem's paper chemicals has helped customers to increase their production by 15 to 20% through the use of the company's drainage aids. The synthetic organic polymeric coagulants of the company has enhanced water treatment plant capacities by 25 to 50%, as these products have reduced the required residence time for sedimentation and improved backwash efficiencies, thereby allowing for more throughput from the same facilities. The poly-DAD-MAC chemistry of the company has helped customers to reduce their water treatment costs by as much as 10 to 20% when compared to traditional inorganic coagulants such as alum and PAC. The dry strength additives developed by Siddharth Carbochem have increased the strength properties of paper and board by almost 10%. The wet strength resins developed by the company have helped improve the wet strength of security and currency paper by more than 35%. The company has worked closely with the Institute of Drilling Technology in Dehradun to develop polymer-based drilling mud systems, thereby replacing the conventional bentonite-based drilling muds. The company has also developed mud systems which are stable in high temperature and high saline conditions. Siddharth Carbochem's R&D department has successfully developed products that are able to decolorize textile effluent considerably and ensure that the effluent meets the Pollution Control Board norms. The products developed by the company are being widely used by leading textile houses such as Raymond, Wellspun and Arvind Mills, among many others, to treat their effluents. The R&D team has developed products that can help reduce the consumption of fresh wood and increase the usage of recycled fibers. This results in conservation of forests. Our products are being used extensively in paper mills in India, including ITC, Century Pulp and Paper Mills, West Coast Paper Mills, etc. For the first time in Asia, Siddharth Carbochem has developed a nil phenol grade of methyl salicylate, which can be used for application in mouthwash and oral care products. Let's have a look at some of the projects being undertaken by the company's research and development department in the near future. The company is working to develop systems for continuous sizing of writing, printing and packaging paper to help improve paper mill productivity by about 15%. The company is also working on online charge measurement and control system for industrial water and wastewater with automatic dosing of coagulants and flocculants to help enhance productivity of water and wastewater industrial plants by 30 to 50%. The company is working on powder polymer preparations which could have significantly higher shelf life apart from reduced logistic and packing costs, enabling the company to cater to a wider global customer base. Many synthetic organic polymeric coagulants on which the company is working shall help customers to reduce the water and wastewater treatment costs by as much as 20 to 50% when compared to traditional inorganic coagulants like alum, PAC, ferric and ferrous salts and lime. This shall be made possible by providing better flock formation through improved charge neutralization and bridging at significantly lower dosages, thereby also significantly reducing sludge volumes. The company is working on numerous products which could significantly reduce the customer cost of production. Example, starch replacement polymers and ash increase polymers. The dry strength additives developed by Siddharth Carbochem have increased the strength properties of paper and board manufacturers by almost 10%, and the company is seeking to further enhance the strength properties by about 20 to 25%. The company is not only improving the wet strength resin, but also working on third-generation products, extremely low absorbable organic halogens, that is AOX content, so as to make these products amongst the most eco-friendly and safe in the world. The company is working on new generation anti-scalant agents that can be very effective for prevention and removal of silica, calcium and magnesium scales. The coating chemicals being developed by the company shall enable paper mills to develop certain high-grade papers for high-end printing applications. Manufacturing of release aids and crepping adhesives for high-speed tissue machines shall allow customers to achieve the safest and most versatile approach to improve the crepping efficiency of tissues. Glauber salt replacement using high-charge cationizing polymers can be a revolutionary process in textile dyeing. Siddharth Carbochem is working to develop super-absorbent polymers that can improve the water retention ability of the soil, thereby reducing hydric shock and improving crop yield for farmers. The R&D team is working with the biggest names in the textile industry to explore the possibility of modifying the process of dyeing the fabric in a manner such that the generation of effluent is itself eliminated altogether or significantly reduced. The company is also looking to develop solutions for complete recycle of textile mill effluents, thereby making such textile mills zero-discharge facilities. The company's R&D team is also working to develop various high-quality fine chemicals for niche markets. The company's research team is also working to reduce the costs of manufacture of existing products and improve efficiencies of the current manufacturing processes to enable the company to become the lowest cost and most efficient producer of these fine chemicals in the world. The company strongly believes that its R&D initiatives could make a significant contribution to the Make in India program of the Government of India. Siddharth Carbochem aims to generate significant export revenues from its activities within a period of 3 years. This would enable the company to earn valuable foreign exchange for the country. The company also plans to employ 300 to 500 persons in about 5 years' time and is certain to become a significant contributor to the environment protection and water conservation efforts of the Government of India, including the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. At Siddharth Carbochem, every care is taken to ensure production of superior quality. We have made great progress and will continually strive to do more.